Yeah, just the same old tactics all over again. Jump on everyone's noggin. Oi! Hi! Oh jeez. Nice moves there, man. It's actually quite a skill. I'm sure you're gonna do that. Hello? I'm sure you're gonna do that at some point in a way that pushes me off the edge instead of sucking me towards you. No! Stop now! Oh, fluff bombs! Oh shit, what? That's not good. In fact, that's terrible. Oh! In fact, that's terrible. You still got loads of health left as well. Well, at least he seems happy to do this forever. Right, good. That was scary. What the hell? He's got water flowing out of his face hole. Oh! Let's just ruin the music there. The victory. The ship is still there, you know. Wouldn't it be fun if it just shot one final cannonball and knocked me off? No, it wouldn't. Oh no, not this. Oh, she's falling from heaven. An angel struck down to earth. She is Satan. Well, she is red. So am I, actually. Oh god. How am I supposed... Oh, why can't I... Go away. Fluff-a-lump. Whoa. I'll have all that, please. Well, this was actually an easy one. Grabbed your tush. Your shiny armoured tush. Oh, she's still fake. I don't know whose tush I grabbed then, but it wasn't a real shield knight. See ya, camp. It's been nice knowing ya. How long is left? Oh, not long. 2 levels, is that it? God, what a short game. Not really. Let's do this first. Hello, Gandalf. What dangerous cliffs! Planning to go farther? Better learn how to fly. I already have, dude. See that? Done. Is that seriously the end? They just got lazy at this point. Oh. Oh dear. I don't need the dosh. Now I do. Well, at least that's easy to get back. Whoa! I don't even need to waste stuff on that. That's fun. I like this power. Yeah, got it wrong. Yeah, I did. How am I supposed to... like that. Music? No, just useless stuff. Still shiny though. Yeah, I'm out. Oh no! Ugh, that was dangerous. Ow! Dangerous! What? You know what? No, I don't actually. Music? No. Don't worry, Paul, there will be music at the end. Oh, I am worried though. What if I can't reach the end? Well then, you're just going to have to try harder, aren't you? Well no, I can't be asked, because I already did while we were having that conversation. Wait, who is we? Oh god! Wait, what am I doing? Nothing. Wrong town, sorry guys. Sorry to get your hopes up. I'm not visiting. Have I got 3? No. Wonderful. The spin controller. Never take a gig on an airship, tell me about it. They made me sleep in the cargo bay. Rubbish! Yeah. Yeah, right. What are you gonna give me today? A tasty cake. Oh, mouldy fish again, decked out. What's that? I can't be asked to have a look. Probably get all the upgrades and stuff. I'm out of here. Oh. I'll have that if you don't mind. Sorry, I stole your same music sheet twice. Oh no, the final levels are gonna be rubbish, aren't they? Justice in what the hell? Why is the rain green? Oh, I'm already dead, God. Now that was quick wits, Paul. Well done. Oh shit, never mind. Oh shit. How did I get the first one, but then when they did it twice more, it completely fudged. Oh, get out of here. That is the mouldiest rain I've ever seen, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you like it, but it's the same colour as the enemies almost. Except not, but I'm colourblind, so you know, everything is the same colour as everything. What idiot birthed me like this? Oi, shut up. I mean, I'm obviously joking, but don't talk like that about my family. Oh my god, angry. Oh, whatever then. Do you want to be like that? Shove magic in your face. Why are you red? It's a silly colour to be, because you had a bomb in you. It laid a bomb. Oh shit. No, that's terrible. How do I... oh wait. There's platforms underneath, I'm sorry. Oh, I wanted that. Oh no. I just noticed something. I'm going back. Oh, I might as well get that. Oh, the platforms are still gone with the wind. Yeah. Oh, I see. Ain't that useless? Oh my god, Shing. You can break them, but there's no point. By this point in the game, you don't need Dosh anymore. Oh, this is going to be scary. Oh, you can go away. See, I told you. You can... oh no, what have I done? Something very, very naughty. Fapped. No. I haven't done that in a while. Whoa, don't tell everyone. What? I was kidding anyway. Oh, so you're saying you have done it recently? Leave me the fuck alone. Oh. What an angry. Well yeah, you're talking about my fapping habits. What do you expect? It's a very sensitive subject. Okay, let's be very, very patient here. Oh yeah, apparently. Yeah, it's quite tasty, that is. It's quite skill too. Ah! Should have been assessing the situation a bit more assessfully. Go away. No! God! Impatience will be the death of us all. Ugh. Alright, wait for it to come back up. The fish is gone. There you go, how's that for some success? What are you doing? Moron. You've got plenty of time to sit there and watch. Go away. Go away! God! Something's just always get in the way. The airport is programmed that way. Oh. Go. Go! We got this. Oh god, it's like Super Mario. Oops. What an idiot.